Out there. Please stay at the side.
Pinanoy, college ko daw. Marang high school. Oy, babayong ako ba eh. Kayo mabasa ang kam.
This is how we nurture an identity as true Lutuyans. And my CPL leaders to lead, guide, and follow.
Johnston Mercury will go to that, but our Team Mercury will stay at last.
This is Richard Milano.
And I'm Crystal Reyes Navales.
We are proud to represent
From the most hottest team of the universe, Mercury!
Here for the room and goddess, beauty and love. So you will the sky.
Thank you.
You're back in this world once. What you can do good for today, do it now. For you will never pass this world again. Thank you and good morning.
Distinguished guests, fellow youngsters, faculty members, and honorable board of judges, a wondrous morning to each and everyone. I'm Ramon Alcantara Jr., and I'm representing from the red planet, Mars!
Honorable board of judges.
Yeah.
I am Mayor I know what's in your mind why I'm here in front of you. Well, this is part of my life journey. Life is a journey. I am Ivy Castro Prussia, 16 years young.
Healthy mind, healthy body. It's the best our sport. I am Rainier Vinny Jr. I'm 18 years of age.
And we are representing
Team Domino!
Uy, mabayaw mo kami. Ay, alin.
A beauty with a dragon and from the heart. A lady stunning from beauty with giant Juliana, 15 years of age. A woman with a nose to the
Isaac said that universe is made out of living creatures. But we do not know if that universe has a space key. I am Bio Lyson, 18 years of age. She has a beauty, and I have a look. Let's get candidate number 9, representing Avery Georgia Great.
Pleasant morning to everyone. Standing in front of you is Mary Carson Kelly, representing the first planet discovered by modern technology, Team Uranus.
Good morning, I am Jordan WP representative. I am representing the 7th planet of the solar